So here are market cycles. They're very clear in light crude right now. And there's lots of information in here that I think is incredibly valuable when you look at that. So these are the market rhythms that you see in here. Cycle analysis, these are just guides. It's a drawing tool that's on the bottom that helps us understand the movement of the market. Now, if you there's a principle that we look at that's called the principle of summation. And when you take the ideal right in here and you add it to the directional component, the trend, it resolves itself in this uptrend that you see right in here as each of these cycles move to a higher high. These last couple just only edging out the high as it's gotten into this big resistance area. So we get these swamp cycles where the upside momentum, and you can see momentum turns here positive in the slim ribbon, that is forcing it up. At the same time, the resistance up here is holding it, and that's why you get this flattening going on right over there. We're still getting bullish confirmations, and again, I mentioned the video earlier about using the projection oscillator and the slim ribbon. That's what this is. You're getting these buy or long confirmations right in here, positive momentum confirmations, and you still have that as you edged out that high. We thought it could get close to that 44 number. It didn't quite make it. And now what we're looking at is the potential for a little higher prices again, potentially testing that 43.5 to 44 area before it then starts to roll over. Momentum, as we see, it would given a little signal that it was going to go neutral here, but it gave that up and started to move up again. So we have that, and just blow it up in here. You can see that kind of stronger looking pattern that we have right there with momentum saved itself. Some of the evidence is that it's still stuck. We're looking for intermediate range here of 44 down to about 38. The risks to the downside really come into later in August and into September, where we expect to get some bigger correction, probably down into the high 30s, that 38 support that we're looking at. So for the next couple of weeks, we're looking for attempted rally back up to those resistance levels, 43.5, 4, and then failing from there and beginning more of a corrective process.